Hello. Yes, good afternoon again. This I'm making analysis on GBP card. Basically, today I'm going to look at the weekly analysis. How do we look at the weekly range? Not structure. I'm just giving a weekly range. What we consider on a weekly range, the weekly candle. That is the element that I want people to understand. We look at one candle on weekly. The whole of this candle on week, this week, how this candle is reacting. This was last week candle. Then this week, how is it reacting? You can only trade that candle and it will give you money. When you know how to look at a weekly candle, a weekly range, it is very good for someone who is doing who is working, someone who is so busy. You can only trade the weekly candle. So this is how I look at my weekly. I look at the weekly open. Then this weekly high, it's there. Today is Friday, October 7th. So this is my last week of today. So the candle is closing. This move here is the closing of the week. So those are the things I look at. The weekly high, the weekly open. So I'll also mark them. I mark, this is my weekly high. Weekly high. I've marked it. This here. My weekly high is this. Then I mark my weekly open, which is this. So after doing this, remember I first turned it to my bar chart. This is the bar chart. After marking everything, I turn it back to my candlestick chart like this. So I know the weekly range that I'm looking for or that I'm going to concentrate on. So I switch to daily. When I switch to daily, I already know that this is my high of the week. This candle is my high of the week. So if it is my high, I will trade a bearish market for this week. I look for a setup which was bearish. I trade it, then I make some money. So I come to H4, the same thing. I'm looking for a bearish setup for this week. So when I come to H4, this was my weekly open, and the other one is my weekly high, which is here. Already it has given us, this is a market maker sell model. We call it a market makers MMSM, which is market makers sell model, MMSM. So this market GBP card, it gave us a market maker sell model. You see this move, you see how the structure is moving downwards. It's forming lower and lower highs. You see, this is a low which was broken by this high. Just seeing it. This is now micro internal structure. A low broken by the other high. So this is another low which is created because the other high is powerful. It broke a structure. So this is how my week is going. There's a BOS. Today is a Friday. So I'm doing a conclusion of this week of GBP card. Already we're in bearish. So this was a break of a structure. Then this is a low which was created as a reversal. The market is reversing upwards. Being a Friday, definitely we are pushing upwards a bit. So this is a high which broke this low. So this is a powerful high. We are pushing the market downward. This is a market makers sell model which was created last week. So when you look at this, is a swing high for the week on daily. So this is a brief analysis on my market on H4. This is how I look at my analysis. I break the entire structure on my H4. I use my weekly candle. So this is the entire weekly candle that I marked. I brought it to H4 to show you how the market is moving. When I come to H1, now this is my H1 analysis. You look at everything that I started from weekly, Currently, I'm on my H1 analysis. I'm going to show you how the market is moving. This was my weekly high. This is the market maker sell model, MS, SM. Then this is a break of structure. This was a powerful swing high. Then today is Friday, and mark here a Friday. This was Friday, which is today. Mostly we see a reversal there. Then yesterday was Thursday. It gave us a powerful move. We moved over 150 pips yesterday. So the market is selling downward. You're seeing the buy is pushing, forcing a seller. Then Wednesday, it was another great opportunity there for us to make a trade. This is a model for people who are working. So Wednesday we traded up, then we dropped over 100 pips. Then Thursday still the same thing, we dropped over 100 pips. Then Monday, Tuesday, it formed our high of the week. Tuesday market gave us the high of the week. That's why this weekly high, the market could not go past this weekly. We are always looking for a sell. Even today we are looking for a sell. Just like that, we are continuing to sell downwards as the market kept on breaking structure. You see, it kept on breaking structure, forming lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high. So we are continuing on a sell model. Then Monday is the day that we don't trade. We only observe what is happening on the market. So Monday we did not trade because the market did not give us the direction, or it didn't form the high of the week. So this is a brief example on how a weekly candle forms. We are doing what we call a weekly range. I was doing a weekly range analysis. You can only use this weekly range to give you money on that pair. Is it okay? A weekly range can give you money on that pair. This is a weekly range analysis. I think I can stop here. Thank you and have a lovely evening. You can follow me, you can like me on my YouTube. Just click that subscription button, like it. I always give pop-ups for my analysis. Thank you.